In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack as a creator. If you're ready to start sharing your writing or content with the world and build an audience, Substack is a fantastic platform to consider. It's user-friendly and designed specifically for writers and creators. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get started. First, we're going to create a publication. On the Substack homepage, look for the option to create your first publication. This is the beginning of your journey where you'll gather your audience and share your content. Once you've set up this initial step, navigate to the upper right corner of your account dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on your account icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can customize your Substack account to fit your style and preferences. Once in the settings, you will see an option labeled Create Another Publication. This allows you to manage multiple streams of content under one roof if needed. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to think of a unique, catchy name for your publication URL, as this will be the address your readers use to find you. After you've decided on a name, simply click Continue to move forward. You're now ready to bring your audience along with you. To import your existing mailing list, click on Select File and upload it. If you'd rather add subscribers manually, you can type in their email addresses directly. This is perfect for starting small and gradually building your mailing list by inviting friends, family, and initial followers. Once done, click Continue to save your progress. Now, it's time to start creating content. Head back to your dashboard and select New Post. Choose Text Post, as this option will allow you to write regular articles or updates. Enter a compelling title for your post to grab your audience's attention, and don't forget to add a highlight next to it if there's a specific point you want to emphasize. Follow up your title with a subtitle, which gives readers a bit more insight into what your post is about. Now you can go ahead and pour your heart into the body or content of your post. When you're satisfied with your draft, click Continue at the top right corner. As you wrap up your post, decide on your audience. You can send your work to everyone or only to your paid subscribers. For an interactive element, decide whether you're open to comments or prefer a no comment policy. You can also add tags to make your post easily discoverable. Lastly, choose to schedule the post for later or send it right away. When you're ready, click Send via email and the Substack app. This ensures your audience receives your post instantly. Finally, if you want to catch any last potential subscribers, consider adding subscribe buttons before sending it out. And there you have it. You've just set up your first publication and shared your first post on Substack.